remember I'm doing a line changing. When you're doing a line changing, thing is that you need to remember, because thing is that you're forgetting about line changing, even no one is there, still you not move to right line please when you feel safe. Remember I teach you how to assess. If you see a full car with empty space, it's a safe gap. So you saying there is a full car, there is a no car even close to you, and there is you're not able to read the number plate of the car, and you see no, there is no decreasing, no increase, you're getting all the references, so still you're not able to make a decision. So make sure be ready, don't be too much stress about anything, because you need to keep your mind free. Move to left line please when you feel safe. Not too much shoulder check, just little bit shoulder check, because sometime you're not doing shoulder check when you're doing so much shoulder check. Do you know how to do proper way shoulder check? Only just that much. Look, 90-degree, like my hand is like this, like this. Look, you don't need to turn around like that back. With my hand, can you see my hand?
Yes.
Like this, like this. Just you need to bend your neck like this. Only that much. Move to right line please when you feel safe. Like that much only, that's it. Move to left line please when you feel safe. Very good, well done. And when you see a safe gap, remember I was saying to you, you need to trust yourself. You need to trust yourself. Once you feel safe, then feel safe. It's a safe. No need to doubt. Only the problem student they facing the doubt. Some student they face very little doubt. Some student they feel too much doubt. So no doubting anything. Even if you will not do safely, maybe somebody will beep you. Maybe you will do one time wrong, but second time you will do safely. But every time if you're going to doubt, how you will line change? Move to right line please when you feel safe. Very good, well done. And when you line changing, check all the facts, and after the facts then do it. So that means you're not doing a line changing by luck. You prepare everything, you observe everything. Once you feel safe, then you did it. Okay, so that way you can motivate yourself. I'm checking everything, I'm assessing everything, and now I'm feeling safe, so I'm doing myself all the line changing. I'm not doing by luck. So that way your confidence level will be go up and up and up. So always when you stop your car, you need to see the front car tires.
Yes.
When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left line, please. You're not able to read the number plate. It's a proper. There is a full car with empty space. Safe gap. Are you checking like this, Mana?
Yes.
Very nice. Make sure your car is going outside of the lines. So that's why the car is beeping. So make sure don't go outside the lines. So when you feel safe, when you're ready, move to right line, please. Very good, well done. This is very good line changing you did. But sometime you just get confused and you're not. Sometimes you do very good, but sometimes you forget everything. You become blank. So make sure do it every time properly and do it with confidence. And when you're driving straight, are you watching the big picture of the road?
Yes.
Make sure don't look close to your car. See big picture as far you can see. And are you doing multitasking also? Multitasking. These make sure with all the practicing, you need to keep doing this practice also. Do a U-turn from that medium strip, please. Give your right indicator. Go. So look, there is a for a U-turn. The unit we need to do in that medium strip. From here, we're not allowed to do it from traffic light because there is a return, no U-turn. You can go, Svana. Very good, well done, very nice U-turn. So when you feel safe, when you're ready, move to right line, please. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left line, please. Very good, well done. You did very good, very nice. Speed, look, your car is again going outside the lines. Just make sure be in your line and move to right line, please, when you feel safe. After you do it, if there is a traffic light, don't do it on traffic light. Do it after the traffic light. Very good, well done, very good, well done, Samana. This is very good line changing you're doing. You're doing better than yesterday. So, are you feeling the same way I'm feeling?
I think I improved.
You improved. That's good. So, do you know what to check now for line changing?
Yes.
Full car with empty space. No able to read the number plate. Safe gear. Gap is decreasing, increasing, or same. So these things you need to check. And based on that one, you need to make a decision. Move to left line, please, when you feel safe. Why you doing? Even your car was very close. That was gap was decreasing. So still you was going. No. If the gap is decreasing, then keep going straight. No rush. Even you don't need to switch off your keep your indicator on. Make sure I'm waiting for your decisions, man. If you will not able to do it right and wrong decision at least, you not taking the wrong decision even. How are you going to learn? So you need to take at least wrong decision. Do it unsafe. Even sometime keep checking. Look, you're not looking. Even this type of the situation, look, no car is behind of you. You can slow down also, because there was so much gap of behind of you. Smana, just only one thing remember, if any time if you make a wrong decision, doesn't matter you're going to do it all the time, because last time you did one wrong decision. Because of that fear, you're not doing again. Okay, if you do anytime wrong, it doesn't mean you're all the time wrong. Okay, you just need to learn, you need to try, because when you do one time wrong, you even don't try. Move to right line please when you feel safe. We learning from our mistakes, because if you're not going to do wrong, how are you going to learn? Because yeah, so when you're doing right, you're doing very good, but one time if you're doing wrong, look, why you're not going, Samana? Look, can you see any car close to you?
No.
Then why you're not going? Now there is a car, keep going straight. Even there was no car close to you, why? I don't know where you're checking in the mirror. Very nice, well done. Keep going straight. Indicator off. Make sure when you're driving straight, try to make a habit of checking the mirrors and try to observe the car when you're driving straight. Because when you're line changing, even no car is close to you, no car is, still you're not able to find out is there car or no car. You just lost in the mirror, and you're not able to find what you need to find, what you need to check. So make sure always when you're checking, so don't go very deep, don't go too much deep, because student when they get overconscious, they go so much deep and they're not able to come out from that. Okay, you need to remember you only looking these reference pointers, and if no finding reference point, no problem, keep going straight. You don't need to go so much deep inside. Go to right line please when you feel safe. So look, here is so much rush, and it's cars are bumper to bumper, and how you going to line change? Give you a look. It's becoming safe for you, but thing is that you need to check, you need to feel. Keep your indicator on, and doesn't matter how. No rush. You cannot just jump front of any car. You need to make proper safe gap. You need to have a proper safe gap. Look, that car is flashing you. Flashing means that person is giving you giveaways, mana. You need to see how the other road users, what the other road users are telling you. The person, he was flashing you, he beep you also, so he was saying go 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 go, but still you're not able to understand what they're trying to say to you. You understand? If somebody
Yes.
flashing you, that means they're giving you giveaway. That person, he flash you 4 5 times, still you couldn't understand, and then he just beep you also, because he was not feeling unsafe also. Because you are just slowing down, you just watching. He was thinking you anytime you can move. Okay, Samana, don't go so much deep inside the mirror, because when you're checking, there is a safe gap, you just lost yourself. You're not able to come back. Okay, just see that reference points, And if you see these reference point and do it, otherwise no need to go so much inside, no need to get so much over conscious. Because sometime when we studying, we in exam or paper anything, when we try to search the answer, we go so much deep, and we sometime we don't know what we are finding. So same thing happen in driving also. Student, they go so much deep, they don't, and in the end they don't know what they're doing. So we don't need to go so much deep. We only need to check these reference points, and if you feel safe, do it. Otherwise, just keep going straight. No need to rush anything, no need to pressure anything, hyper anything. Just keep going straight, keep your indicator on. Don't do close to the traffic light or roundabout. Once you find a safe gap, then do it. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left line, please. Next roundabout, we're going to turn left. Move to right line, please, when you feel safe. Very good, well done, Samana. This is very good safe gap selection. You keep it patience. You was looking, and once you see a safe gap, then you start to do it. Now we're going to do move to left line. Look where you going. No need to rush. As I said, you like last time you was keeping a patience. Look, when there is a no safe, it doesn't mean all the time will be no safe. That person just went and it's become safe. Okay, if it's no safe, it doesn't mean all the time will be no safe gap. Situation can change just in a fraction of seconds. Because that time when you was trying to do it, there was a car just side of you, and just car just pass you, and after that car it's become unsafe gap. Because that time you was not even looking. So you need to keep looking again and again. Keep going straight. Next roundabout, we're going to do U-turn. Take a next right again, please. Or don't take a right, keep going straight.